Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe, become part of the tribe. Awesome and great things happen over here. And if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a little haul. As you guys know, I am rebuilding my wardrobe like completely. So I have been shopping very, what's the word? Cautiously. Like I've been very intentional about the things that I've been purchasing. So I figured I should just share with you guys some of the new items that I have purchased to add into my wardrobe now. So before we get started, I want to share with you guys some items that I received from Joy Amo Jewelry. They are a personalized custom jewelry company. They create or manufacture custom jewelry pieces. I happen to love these items. So these are items that I was actually considering getting way before they even reached out to me. So when they reached out to me, I was like, oh my God, this is crazy. So they have, they create or manufacture custom or personalized jewelry, necklaces, bracelets, things of that sort. They have them in sterling silver 925, 18 karat rose gold plating, as well as yellow gold plating. They even have specific collections like a first time moms collection for moms, grandmothers, even dads. So there's like a variety of different collections that you can choose from to get like an idea of what you want personalized. I received 2 items from them. The first item that I received is this bracelet that I think is so cute. It says Imade, which is Kari's middle name. I think it's so cute and so dainty. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm looking forward to her getting a little bit older and big enough so that she can wear it, because I think it's just so cute, and I wanted to get her a bracelet like this, and I just think it's so dainty. The second item that I received was this necklace that I'm just very excited about. It looks like this. It is their infinity necklace, and it says Kari in it, which is baby's first name. I just love the way this looks. I believe I got this in the 18-inch drop, so it kind of comes about right here. It's just a little bit longer than my the necklace that I have on, which is perfect because I got it to stack with other jewelry pieces, which I think is going to be so cute. Now, these items, what I like about them is that even though that they're customized and personalized with a name or some type of figure or something, they're not gaudy. So it's not something that's just like big and just annoying, obnoxious. It's cute, it's dainty, and it kind of flows in the design of the item, which I think is super cute. Also, it has a nice weight to it, which that's the first thing that I look for or consider when ordering accessories, is that they have a nice weight and a good quality of item, and I get that with these. It didn't take long. It was as described for it to be monogrammed or personalized and then sent to me, which was also great. And I'm just so in love with these items, and it's just even more crazier that I already wanted to get them, and here we are. So I'm looking forward to wearing these items. I will have a discount code for you guys. It will be a 30% off coupon code for you guys linked in the description bar, as well as the website for you to shop directly. So you can get you a few pieces and save a little coin, child, because we all about saving money, okay? The next item that I have is something else that I am very excited about. So I'm just going to share it with you guys, and we're going to chat about it. So it's an item from Saint Laurent. I just love getting ready to wear in these boxes and just cute packaging. It just makes the experience that much more great. So the item that I got is another item that I've been talking about. I probably in like a few videos. I know one for sure. They are these Saint Laurent knit biker shorts. Y'all, when I tell y'all I am obsessed with these biker shorts. Now, you may hear me say biker shorts and you may think that, okay, it's just got a Saint Laurent logo. They're just regular workout kind of. No. Of course, we have the understated Saint Laurent logo, which I think is super cute, such a cute touch. That's really what we pay for with these items. That's neither here nor there. But these shorts, they're more like a dressier material. So although they are ribbed and although they are biker shorts in knitwear, they're heavy. Like it's a weighted fabric. I don't really know how to describe it, and it has like a little sheen to it, so it's a little bit more dressier. Of course, that can be dressed down as well. Like I would definitely wear this with like an oversized hoodie or something like that if I wanted to be casual, but this could also go with like a cute blazer. This could also go with something like that and be perfectly fine because like I said, the material is not, it's kind of dressy. Like you can dress it up. I also love that they have a good amount of stretch to it. So I got them in a size medium. These have a good amount of stretch. They do come high waist, high enough, and they're still long enough. Now I am a bit shorter, 5'3" on a good day, so they do come a little bit longer than me on me. But if you're a little bit taller, they'll still come down low, but I don't think that they'll come up too much above your knee, even if you're tall. So I really do like that because they're not really like short or like a short biker short. They're a good length to where you can wear them with something like a longer top, an oversized top, and you still see the pants. They still look cute. It's still a vibe. They are, like I said, a good amount of stretch in them. I would recommend getting your true size because although there is stretch, it's not a whole lot of stretch. It is one of those stretch fit type of materials. So it has stretch, but it's like gonna fit. I love it. So now moving on, switching categories to my faves, shoes. I feel like at this point, I've just been checking off my wish list unintentionally. I've just been seeing things, send them at a good price, and I'm like, okay, it's the time is now. Cause I'm good. One thing about me, I will wait for an item to like, if I know it's gonna like go on sale, if it's one of those brands that I know I can get less than what it's retailing for, I'm gonna wait for it. And this is another one of those items. So I have a pair of Manolo Blahniks. The lighting is just like washing the letters out, but I am so excited about these shoes because it's another pair of shoes that I have been really wanting to add to my collection, because I don't have anything like this. As I rebuild my collection, I want more classic items in it. Not that I don't have them now, but I just feel like I don't have enough staples, and I feel like Manolo Blahnik is a staple. So, okay, I got it. All right, are the navy Hangasi pumps. I am obsessed with this shoe. I want them in like multiple colors now. I just feel like it's such a shoe that it's such a vibe. Like it's one of those items that although it looks dressy and it looks like it can only be worn with like a formal outfit, it's definitely appropriate to wear dressed down with like some jeans and a cute top, or even like just dress down a little bit more casually, which is the first vision that I have in my mind for wearing these. Now they are showing a little bit brighter on camera than they are. This is a true navy color. Now the sizing on this shoe is very finicky. I had to refer to Brittany at Pockets and Bows. I'll like link the video or channel up here. She did a thorough review and like explanation of this shoe. I should have looked at that video way before I got this shoe, but I didn't do my research properly. Check that video out for sizing. I got them in a 39. I am going to have to send them back because they are too big. Not too big, but they are a little bit bigger, so like a half size bigger. I've already ordered my correct size. I am a true US 8, which I mention in most videos. So my European size is usually a 39 because of the way the shoe runs, my foot, all of that. So I usually get a 39. I figured I would need a 39 in these, and I was completely wrong. So I went ahead and ordered a 38.5, which I think is going to fit much better and much more fitted than this one. I do feel like if I wear this shoe, it's going to give a little bit, or I'm going to, you know, it's going to give some, and it's going to be too big, and I ain't got time for that. So I highly recommend checking out that video if you're considering getting this shoe, because it's such a beautiful shoe and I cannot wait to wear it, and it's a beautiful thing to have in your collection, especially in the various colors. The next pair of shoes are a pair of shoes that were also on my wish list. I have talked about them in like a few videos, but I finally got them. They are a pair of Chloe boots, which I am very, very, very excited about. So, as you guys, they are the Betty boots. Now, you guys see, I got the black. In my wish list video, I think I even mentioned it in my boots video that I just did. I'll have both of them linked somewhere. I was very, very much so considering the dark gray color, which is like a dark tan brown color. I thought was super cute. But then I actually seen the boot and I was like, this color is giving me a little bit more green. Like I was seeing green, like the undertone of the color or something like that. It was just looking more green to me than a nude or like a, I don't know. It wasn't as neutral nude brown as I wanted. Like I wanted something a little bit more tan, and I was just seeing green, and I didn't like that for me. I felt like that wasn't really gonna fit in my wardrobe and wasn't gonna fit in for me. I just didn't really care for that color. So I was like, I better just play it safe. And what I know for sure I'm gonna wear until the end of time, and that's the black color. Like this shoe can go so long for me because it is just it's a classic black color. For me, this was just the better option. Now, I still did like the Nomad beige color, which is like an off-white color, but again, I felt like for me and my wardrobe and against my complexion, that wasn't really, I didn't like it. I'm just gonna be honest, I didn't like it for me. I was like, if I'm feeling this way about these colors, the safest bet for me is just gonna be go with black. So here we are with the black. I played it safe, y'all. I got what I know I'm gonna wear, and I don't have to question about it. I can throw this on with literally anything. My daily wardrobe is more athleisure, or athleisure with like a pop of glam or something like that, and I just feel like these would be perfect with them, with that. Or if I wanted to dress it up, it would be perfect with it. So again, I played it safe, but I still do like the Nomad beige color. If it works for you and in your lifestyle, I would say go for it. But yeah, that's where we are. I got them in a 39. So from sizing, from what I did when I did my due diligence and research on it, was that they are pretty true to size as far as your European size. I am a US 8, but all of my European shoes are 39, so these are no different. They fit perfect. These do come up the ankle a bit, but they do fit I don't know, it's like the lower part of your calf. They come up a little bit. Someone asked me about that and I couldn't find the comment, so I wanted to just address that here. They do come up a little bit close to your calf, but like above your ankle. I don't really know that portion of the leg. You guys will see when I try it on. But they still fit, they still zip. It is not a heavy shoe. It does have a little weight on it because of the heel as well as just the shoe. It is more like a rubber rain boot style shoe, so it does have a little weight, but it's not super heavy. I will say that this part of the shoe, it's a little stiff. So if that is a concern for you, or that's something that may be a turn off, it's not for me. It is flexible enough to drive with and to just walk with without being super uncomfortable, so I don't have any complaints about that, but it's just something to note. So guys, that is going to be it for this haul. I had a few other things that I was supposed to add, or I wanted to add in the haul, but they just did not come in time, so maybe I'll do another one or some of the way and show you guys those items. But that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to check out Joy Amo Jewelry. I will have a discount code for you guys linked down below, as well as the website for you guys to shop. Drop a nice comment down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get a notification when I post again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.